So I wanted to start off this video with a couple of questions. What would you do if you didn't have to go to a job that you hated working at? How would you spend your free time if you can make money working from home? Now, I want you to think about these questions because in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different methods that you can use to make money online working from home. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money online working from home in this video. Now, I want you to think about those two questions that I asked in the beginning of this video. If you didn't have to go to a job that you hated, what would you do? If you didn't have to spend the time sitting in traffic that it takes you to go to your job, what would you be using that time to do instead? Now, the reason why I'm asking these questions is because once you learn how to make money online, you can actually have this time available to you. You can actually gain financial freedom by leveraging the power of the internet to make money online. So before I go any further into this video, I just want to say, if this is your first time here on my channel and you want to one day become financially free by learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let me just get into the topic of this video. So when it comes to making money, whether it's online or in person, there's basically two different ways that you can earn money. The first one is an active income. So this is basically where you're trading your time for money in order to get paid. Pretty much how you would when you're working at a regular 9-to-5 job. And the second way that you can earn money is through a passive income. So this is basically where you put in the work up front and you create something like a product that's going to earn you a residual income. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about these two methods that you can use to make money online. So let me start off by talking about the active income methods first. So the first method that you can use through an active income is freelancing. So freelancing is basically where you're offering your services online through platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. And whenever somebody contacts you for your service, you provide that service and then you get paid in exchange. So basically you're trading your time for money. So if you know how to provide any kind of digital service, then you can definitely make some money online using this method. Now, one of the platforms that I just mentioned is called Fiverr. So this is a freelancing website where you can sign up and you're going to list the services that you're going to be providing. So whenever somebody contacts you and they request your service, you're going to provide that service and then you get paid in exchange when your service is completed. Now, you can provide a number of different kind of services ranging from web development, graphic design, video editing, web testing, and there's a whole lot more that you can provide. Now, if you don't know how to provide any kind of digital service, I would recommend that you take the time to learn, because once you have that skill, you can use that skill to make you money over and over and over again. Because as we move more into the information age, people are going to be requiring skills that they don't have. So they're going to be hiring other people to do those skills for them. And if you don't know how to learn any of these skills, I mean, basically you have the internet at your hands. You can learn any skill almost for free. You can go on YouTube and learn how to do almost anything nowadays. So the second way that you can make money online through an active income method is by website testing. Website testing. So this is basically where you go to different websites and then you complete a set of actions that they require of you, and then you just speak your thoughts out loud or you give your opinion about what your experience is on that website. Now, a good website where you can do this is called a website called user testing. Now, the way this works is that you sign up to become a tester, and then they're going to send you to different websites or apps, and you're going to perform a certain set of actions. You have to speak your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid. And if you're wondering what the requirements are to get started, all you have to do is just sign up. You have to be able to download their testing software, and you basically need a computer with the internet connection. And you can earn anywhere between $10 to $20 per test. So if you're somebody who's just looking to make some quick money or some extra cash on the side, this might be a good option for you to go with. Now, the third method that you can use is by writing articles. So you would basically be getting paid to write articles for other people that require them. So a great website where you can do this is called textbroker.com. Now, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. As of right now, this website is only available for the people in the United States. So if you're a US citizen and you enjoy writing articles, you can sign up and write articles for other people and get paid for them. Now the process is pretty simple. You have to sign up as a writer for TextBroker, and then you have to verify your US citizenship. And what they're going to do is they're going to evaluate your writing skills. So you're going to submit a writing sample so they can see where your writing skills are at, and they pay you based off of your writing skills. So the better you are at writing, the more you get paid per word. And if you guys are interested in any of these websites, I'll leave links for all of them down in the description below. Now let me talk about the other method when it comes to making money online, which is going to be the passive income method. Now as I said, it does require you to put in the work up front, but this can earn you a residual income over time. Now with this type of method, you're going to have to put in the work up front, and it could take you some time before you start to see any kind of profit. But if you're consistent and you're committed to it, then you can definitely earn money with this method. So let me talk about a couple of different methods that you can use. So the first one is going to be selling stock photos. So if you're somebody who likes to take professional looking pictures, if you have access to a DSLR camera or even the newer smartphones, because they take pretty good pictures nowadays, what you can do is take these pictures and then you can upload them to a website called Shutterstock. So what you would do is you would sign up to Shutterstock to become a contributor. And if anybody is willing to use your photo, they would have to pay for the rights to use that photo. And anytime somebody does this, you would earn what's called royalties. So you're making little commissions every time somebody buys the rights to use your photo. So I just want you guys to think about it. If you have a really popular and really good quality photo, and 100 people buy the rights to use that photo, you would be making royalties every time that they do. So I would recommend this method if you're somebody who likes to create this kind of content and you enjoy doing it. This would be a good option for you to go with. Now the cool thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to photos. You can also upload vector art, stock footage, and stock music. So if you guys are interested in that, I recommend checking that out. Now the second method that you can use to make money online with the passive income is by selling online courses. So if you're somebody who has a certain knowledge in a particular area, and you know people would be willing to pay money to have that knowledge, then you can definitely make money with this method. It can be a course on anything. It can be a course on how to fly drones, how to create a website, how to tie your shoes if somebody's willing to pay money to learn how to do that. I mean, anything that you can bundle up into a course, people would be willing to pay to have that knowledge. Now, a great website where you can do this is called Teachable. So how you would do this is you would first record your course, since it's going to be an online course. You would record it, and I would recommend recording it in a series of videos. Kind of like somebody showing you how to do something step by step. And then once you have your course recorded, you're going to upload your course onto Teachable. Then you're going to set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into your course. Now obviously, the more people you enroll into your course, the more money that you're going to make. Now just to give you guys an example, let's say that you create a course where you're showing somebody how to create their own website step by step. And you're charging this person $200 to enroll into your course. If you get 10 people to enroll into your course in a month, you just made an extra $2,000 right there. Now, for some people or most people, that's not enough to quit your day job, but you can see the potential right there. So I recommend this kind of method if you're somebody who enjoys teaching people and you have a certain knowledge that most people don't have. Now, the last method that I want to talk about in this video when it comes to making money online with the passive income is called affiliate marketing. Now, most of you probably have heard about this method before. Some of you probably don't know what it is. But basically what affiliate marketing is where you're making commissions by promoting other people's products. And every time somebody buys that product that you're promoting, then that's when you earn money. Now let's say, for example, I'm doing a video where I'm talking about, let's say this book right here, the 10X rule, and I talk about the highlights of the book, what it's about, and why you should use it if you're trying to improve yourself personally or financially or whatever the case may be. Now, I talk about the chapters, what they're all about, the lessons I've learned from the book, and then I leave a link, which is going to be an affiliate link to the book. And if people click on that link and they purchase that book, then I would be earning a commission. So this is basically how affiliate marketing works. Now there's a lot that goes into affiliate marketing. The concept is simple to understand. And I do have videos where I talk about affiliate marketing if you're just a beginner. I'll leave links in the description or maybe in the cards up here somewhere if you guys want to check out those videos. But if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have an ebook called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And in this book, I talk about in more detail what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it to earn 6 figures a year. So I recommend you guys check that out if you want to learn more about it. It's completely free. So that's basically the different methods that I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.